students, I am Mrs. Lata Shinde. Today we will learn one interesting topic in subject English Standard First. So let us start. So our today's topic is WH question. WH question. What does WH question mean? So it means a question is asked for a request for information. Means a question is asked when the person wants to get some information. It is one kind of request also. So let us see. WH question usually starts with a word beginning with WH, except how. Now children, here WH question, it usually starts with the letter W and H, but only H or W, how, is different. That is also a WH word, but it does not start with WH. It starts with only H. So let us see the WH words. First, we will see the WH words. WHAT, what. The next word is WHO, who. Next one, WHERE, where. HOW, how. WICH, which. Then WHEN, when. And then last one, WHY, why. So children, these are some of the WH words. We will see all the WH words when they are used and there are some of the examples. So first word is WHAT, what. So WH word what is used mainly for asking some information. It is also used for asking reason. For example, what is your name? What do you want? So children, like this way, when we used WH question, we start that question with what. WHAT, what. And what gives us information as well as we can use for asking the reason also. Let's see the next word is WHO, who. Who is used for asking what as well as which person or people. It generally asks for a person or a people. Asking for some certain person's name or the people. Who. So the examples are, who opened the door? Who are you? Children, the next word, that is WHEN, when. Now from the name itself, I think you have guessed that the word when is used asking about the time. It's always asked or it's always shows certain time. So the examples are, when did you left? When you will reach home? So children, in both the examples you can see you have to specify the time. So when is used for asking about the time. Now our next word, that is W-H-E-R-E, where. You generally ask about a place or a position. Where is used asking about a particular place or the position of any object. Like for example, first one, where do you stay? Second one, where is your book? So children, in the first example, you are supposed to give the answer about a place, and in second example, you have to tell the position of your book. So, like this way, the word WH word where is used in the questions. Now, next word is which. W-H-I-C-H, which. Now children, this word which starts or asks about the choice. It's always asked about the choice. Like for example, which color do you like? Here you are having a choice. Whether you like blue, green, red, yellow, purple, any colors you can see. So here is a choice for you. So that's why we are using which. And second one example, which is your favorite game? You can give the name of any game which you like according to your choice. So like this way, the WH word which is used. Why? W-H-Y. Why means asking for a reason. Sometimes when you are going out and you're not telling the reason, that time your mother asks, why are you not coming home? Or why do you late? Like this way. So that shows you are supposed to give the reason. What was the reason behind your late? So let's see the examples here. The first example is, why are you crying? When you are crying, your mother, your teacher, anyone, they ask you, what happened to you? Why are you crying? So you are supposed to explain the reason or give the reason. Second one, why did you left the house? Second reason also, you have to only tell the reason. So why is used to give the reason or asking for a reason. So both are the examples. You have to clarify your reason or specify your reason. H-O-W, how. So children, in this you have to ask about a manner, condition, quality. So first one example is, how does this work? How was your exam today? So children, when we use the how in the question, it also asks about the manners. In what manner that thing has happened, the condition and the quality. So these three things are asked when the WH word how is used in the question. We have seen the example also. How does this work and how was your exam today? So both the examples will specify the manner, condition or the quality. Children, we will have here one activity for you. Let us see what is that. The activity is question Choose the correct word and complete the following. Here is a question, or you can say a blank. Fill in the blank in the question form. So you have to complete using the options. So let's see the first one. Dash old are you? So the options are what and how. So the correct answer is how. How old are you? Dash are you late? And the options are where and why. So you have to give the right answer. Why are you late? Dash is your best friend. Generally, I told you when we ask for a person, we use who. So the answer is who. Who is your best friend? Next one. Dash is your name. WHO who? WHAT what? So the answer is what is your name? Dash do you go to school? Which or when? So generally it's about the time. So we will use when. When do you go to school? So children, I hope so you all have understood how to complete the following, how to choose the correct word, WH word in the blank. Your homework. What is your homework? Pick out the correct word and answer the following. Now children, in homework, you are having the question and you have to answer for that. So first one, where are your books? Generally, when we ask the question, where are your books? The options are in my bag, in the pool. So children, what do you think? What is the answer? Because in the pool, we don't keep our books. So, is where are your books? Yes, in my bag. One, who is your friend? Rohan and Ball. So children, generally when I ask who, that means a person. So Rohan is the right answer. So who is your friend? Answer Rohan. Second one, where do you swim? In the pool, on the road. So children, this is also again a common question. Where do you swim? Where you have the water? In the. So the right answer is, where do you swim? You swim in the pool. So children, these are some of the questions where you can give the correct answers. Thank you. I hope so you all have understood this topic.